Hi, welcome to this course. This course is designed for those who are looking for practicing hands-on scenarios to get ready for Certified Kubernetes Application Developer exam, also known as CKAD. Prior basic knowledge of the exam topics are required to follow along the course. About me, I am Sri Kumar Krishnamurthy. I am working in this industry as a DevOps architect. Before we get into the course objective, let's take a quick look at the exam details. Here is the official website of the Cloud Native Computing Foundation who developed this certification. I'm sure you would have gone through this page before. As you scroll down to the bottom, you can find some of the important exam resources. One is the curriculum. As noticed here, as of September 2020, CKAD runs on version 1.19. Also, if you look at the frequently asked questions, where you can get some basic information like exam cost, how it is proctored, and what is your ID requirement, how long is the exam, and what is the pass score, and what version the CKAD is running, which is 1.19. The course objectives are in line with the CKAD curriculum, starting from core concepts all the way to the state persistence. For each topics, we are going to have more of a hands-on session. And for each of those topics, there is also going to be an interactive lab as well. There is going to be a quiz portal at the end of each topic. With no further ado, let's get into this course. I'm sure you would enjoy this course. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.